The Little School Bus, Week 1. Our question of the week is, how do children get to school? We know children can get to school by bus, they can get to school by car. We also have van riders, and we also have children that walk. Ask your parents, how will you be getting to school? We're starting a story called The Little School Bus. And with every story, we have what we call amazing words. This week's amazing words are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. When we think of those words, we can think of them putting being put in order. So like with first, if someone is first, they are number 1 in line. If you're second, then you're number 2 in line. If you're third, you're number 3 in line. If you're fourth, you're number 4 in line. If you're fifth, you're number 5 in line. And if you're sixth, you're the sixth person that's in line. It's very important to learn our amazing words because it helps us understand our story better. Okay, guys, put your listening ears on. Today we will be talking about rhyming words. Rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that sound alike. They're not the same words, but they sound alike. In my first box, I have dog, elephant, frog. Dog, elephant, frog. Let's see. Does dog and elephant sound alike? No way. What about dog, frog? Dog, frog. Yes, they do sound alike. Let's go to the next one. We have box, fox, apple. Box, fox, apple. Does box and fox sound alike? Yes. Yes, box and fox sound alike. What about box and apple? Box, apple. Box, apple. No way. No, they do not sound alike. Now, our next box, we have fish, kite, dish. Fish, kite, dish. Let's see, does fish and kite sound alike? No way. Fish, fish, kite, they do not sound alike. What about fish, dish? Fish, dish. Yes, fish and dish sounds alike. Last one, we have mouse, house, sun. Mouse, house, sun. Does mouse and house sound alike? Mouse, house. Yes, they do sound alike. What about mouse, sun? Mouse, sun. No, they sound different. Okay, this right here is a picture of an astronaut. What sound do you hear at the beginning of astronaut? Eh, astronaut. That's right, you hear the sound. What do you hear? Yes, the sound. You hear the sound at the beginning of astronaut. Let's see what letter makes that sound. Yes, it is the letter A. The letter A says eh. What does the letter A say? Good job. The letter A says eh. This is the uppercase A and the lowercase a. I want you to take your finger and I want you to write the uppercase A in the air. You're going to go down, down, across. Let's do it again. Down, down, across. Good job. Now this is our lowercase a. I want you to take your finger. Take your finger. You're gonna make a circle and a line. Circle and a line. Good job. Kiss your brains. So our letter for the day is the letter A. And our letter A says eh. Can you think of any other words that start with A? I thought of a few. I have astronaut, astronaut. I have apple, apple. Now you say it. Apple. I also have ant. Ant. Say it with me. Ant. Good job. And I also have alligator. Alligator. Say it with me. Alligator. Oh, you guys are so smart. Kiss your brains. We're gonna draw a circle around each letter A. And as I draw the circle, I'm going to say the sound that letter makes. A. 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 A, and I think I have all of them. We circle the uppercase A and the lowercase a. Okay, we're going to talk about at words today. Everybody say at. At. Good job. We're going to talk about at words today. This first letter right here is the letter B. B says B. We're going to put it over here. We know this part of the word says at. So whenever we see these two letters together, they say at. What do they say? Good job. They say at. Let's try to read this word. B, at, b, at, bat. Good job. That word is bat. K, at, k, at, cat. At, 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 hat. At, 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 met. S, at, s, at, sat. So those were just a few at words. We learned how to read at words today. Good job. I love the way you're reading. Our special words this week, our popcorn words, are I am. I am. I am. Let's spell I. We're going to say it, spell it, say it. I, I, I. We're going to say it, spell it, say it. Let's do I again. I, I, I. Our next popcorn word is am. Am. We're going to say it, spell it, say it. Am. A-M. Am. Let's do it again. Am. A-M. Am. Good job. Okay. As you listen to your story, The Little School Bus, I want you to think about characters. Think about characters. Characters are people or animals in a story. A character can be real or make-believe. Can you name these characters? We have Pete the cat, the three little pigs, the hungry caterpillar. We have Goldilocks and the three bears. So as you listen to the story, look for the characters in the story. And remember, it could be people or